Dapat nung December pa tong interview na ito, I was supposed to go to Bulacan to visit the great Marvin Mangulabnan. Who doesn't know this guy in the racing world? Dito sa Pilipinas, he's a great guy, super bet, awesome guy. He announced his retirement, which kind of shocked everybody kasi, I mean, for me, I felt na he's still there, he's at his peak. I mean, why stop now, right? There's so much in store for him na ang dami niya pa pwedeng puntahan. So, I wanted to catch up with him. But yun nga, December, Christmas happened, schedules didn't match, family to attend to, all of that stuff. So, 2 months later, eto tayo. And it's great in a way, in the sense na nag-settle down yung dust. I'm sure his mind has cleared up even more now. And I just wanted to catch up with him. You know, tanungin lang siya kung asan ka na ngayon, anong plano mo sa buhay, and why did you retire so early? This is our interview with Marvin. Check it out. Marvin, kamusta na? So, yun nga. I mean, bigla ka nag-retire.
2 months na, almost 2 months.
Almost 2 months, sorry. Almost 2
2
months tayo. I'm sure a lot of people have asked you this. But I want to ask you anyway. You're in your mid-30s. Arguably, peak.
Yes, actually.
Physically, nandiyan ka
Oo, lahat. Performance ko nandun pa rin. Competitiveness nandun pa rin.
All these trophies. Pabasok ko dito sa trophy room mo, parang, oh my God. Is it a case of while nandito ka sa peak, kalas ka na? Or ano ba yung reason? Bakit mo biglang, puk, ayoko na?
Actually, hindi naman yung case na yun. Kasi I think, mahaba pa talaga. Matagal pa. Naisip ko lang na, yun, napabayaan ko talaga yung business ko yung 2025. Kasi pag nag-practice ako, ilang days. So, yung shop, syempre yung crew ko, dala ko. So, same, wala kami matatanggap na gawa dito sa shop.
Hindi maharap si customer,
Hindi ko
syempre.
maharap si customer.
Tapos pupunta na sa iba.
Oo. Ito naman talaga yung bread and butter ko. Kasi yung racing in reality, syempre nandun ako sa level nung professional and nandun ako sa level na gusto ko manalo. Syempre kung hindi ko gusto manalo, yung sponsors mo, kunin mo na lang, ganun, hindi ka nabili ng ganyan, huwag mo na mag-provide ng ganito.
Kumbaga, meron ka pang naiisip at nakikita pwede mo pang idagdag at out of pocket mo na yon.
Yes, actually yun. No?
Gastos talaga
gastos
racing.
talaga yung racing.
It's kind of sad na wala hanggang dyan lang, pati gobyerno.
Pero syempre, very thankful ako sa sponsors ko,
Of
especially
course.
last year.
Oo, of course.
Kaya lang syempre yung government support, yan, number one yun para mag-proceed and maging very competitive talaga tayo for international. Kunyari, meron kayong talagang kinuha kayo ng factory, so yun yung mga steps. Pero as private year, kasi ako private year pa rin talaga ako, sobrang hirap makipag-battle as private year competing with the factory. Big difference talaga.
That's true. How was it like the next day?
Parang mixed emotion. Nung mismong race day, natapos yung race then so signing, sobrang overwhelmed ako. Sobrang saya. So, alam mo yun, sabi ko, okay, ito yung mahirap kunin na goal. Then, pag uwi, after maybe few days, sobrang gaano feeling. Kasi, dahil syempre nandun ako sa top level of racing, very controlled lahat, as in...
And the pressure.
Yung pressure, yun actually,
the pressure,
yung pressure, grabe.
Can you imagine? Ando
Yung
ka na eh. I mean,
pressure, yung preparation,
and the mental
lahat.
fatigue, I'm sure.
Grabe.
Yan lang iniisip mo eh.
Grabe,
I see the
grabe.
relief. On the second week, wala bang na-miss ko bigla?
Actually, in reality, nami-miss ko talaga.
Okay.
Pero, yun nga, kailangan ko muna mag-focus dito sa shop. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga future opportunities. Nandun pa rin naman ako sa motorcycle industry.
Yun nga, the future is not set in stone. Anything can happen, eh, di ba?
Yes,
Malay ba natin? Going back to your illustrious career, I mean, what a fantastic journey. Mas babad ka sa sport bike. Paano mo na-decide na sport bike na talaga na backbone?
Ang kagandahan na kasi talaga nun is full support ako nung daddy ko, syempre, parents ko. Syempre, yung HGM pipe, yung sa amin yun, so yun yung na-endorse ko na pipe. Then, hindi ko na-expect na aabot kami doon. Akala ko, okay, steady lang kami dito kasi wala namang kaming product or item for big bikes. Kaso yun nga, ang ginawa kasi namin talaga is every year, step. So, from underbone, novice, intermediate, expert, CBR race, tapos 600cc. So, bumili kami ng R6 noon.
So, hindi siya struggle na decision. Ginusto mo talagang...
Hindi. Talagang nilulook forward namin na okay, soon sasakay kami ng big bike.
Never ka torn.
Hindi.
Na iiwanan mo yung big bike. Gusto mo okay, gets ko na. How does it feel, Marvin, no? Kasi you're the people's champ. And then, you have had an uphill battle. I mean, mahirap kasing hindi banggitin si TJ pagkausap ka at pagkausap ko rin si TJ, mahirap ko hindi pag-usapan si Marvin.
Automatic na yun.
So, meron kayong rivalry nemesis which I think is good for the sport kasi ika nga iron sharpens iron. Paano yung pakiramdam? Mahal ka na mahal ng tao but they're just some days hindi mo makahuli, hindi mo makuha. How do you handle kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo during those moments?
Yun yung pinakamahirap in reality. Practice, mabibuild ko, okay, ito na kami, ito na yung time, ito na yung preparation, okay. Very competitive na ako, wait natin yung race weekend. And then, pagdating ng race weekend, okay naman, and biglang, boom, putulin ng butso mo. So, alam mo yun,
These things
yung
happen.
talagang roller coaster talaga as in from competitive to biglang down.
Oh my God. And this has
Grabe.
been going on for years.
Yes, for
Tapos
years.
pag off-season, I'm sure may chillax time ka, pero ang bilis ng inaabang mo yung mga coming
Actually,
months kasi
oo,
babalikan na naman.
Yung chillax ko lang talaga is, kunyari, race Sunday. Monday, sarado yung shop, rest day. Resume kami ng Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yun lang yung out muna ako. So, alis muna ako.
Your me time.
Oo, ako naman.
Do you feel things may have changed? This whole saga of the whole Marvin versus TJ thing, if each race laging identical yung bike nyo?
For sure, napakagandang race.
Alam mo, napakabait mo. Kasi, iba, tatalunin ko na siya. O para you know how racing is, right? It's a sport, it's the way it is, it goes with it. You're really napakabait talaga. You're pitting up skill against skill. Kung yung manufacturer, gobyerno, or what, or factory, or what, wala yung todo support, paano yun, di ba? How deep are our pockets to be able to sustain
actually,
this?
yun lang.
So, dapat nga may ganun, ano?
Tires difference lang. Yun talaga yung pinakamalaking expenses namin for
Gulong,
for
no?
the race. So, thank you kay Boss Charlie kasi siya yung nakapag-provide sa akin ng tires.
Infinite Serve has been behind your back
yes,
for the
so,
longest time. And
Sobra.
kudos to those people who are supporting
Wala pa ako sa
you.
big bike. Talagang supported na ako ni Boss Charlie.
You're still young. Bukod sa shop, you have a son as well. Meron pa bang ibang pinagkakaguluhan?
Actually, non-stop training yon. Punta ng bundok, magte-trail, whole day magte-trail. So,
Wow.
enjoy. Nagte-training ka pero nag-enjoy ka. Bukod sa shop, maybe soon, pag naayos ko na yung shop, tingnan natin ko na yung next goal.
If there were things you can change sa ating Philippine racing team, specifically sa sport bike, rules perhaps, meron bang may isa-suggest na pwedeng baguhin? I mean, just to be objective. I mean, we're just trying to be objective here. Wala naman tayong sinisira or...
Una, rules. Nababago kasi yung rules anytime. Siyempre, iba yung rules na talagang fix. Although, again, gaya nga nung last race ko, na disqualified tayo dahil hindi natin na-turn on yung rain light. Hindi naman kami nagko-complain regarding na, siyempre, rules. Tinatanggap namin kung ano yung penalty gagawin nila sa amin. Medyo naging stiff lang kasi. Yeah.
So maybe the penalty per rule can be adjusted in the future. For example, why is, let's say, banggaan rule, ito yung consequence versus
Yes.
tail light
Yes.
in a racetrack,
Yes,
but mas mabigat.
Yun nga eh.
O parang ganun. Okay. Was there like yung pinaka-craziest, yung talagang hindi ka makatulog na nangyari sa racetrack? Like, oh my God. Something that was really risque. What comes to mind
Actually,
in your career?
sobrang dami. BMW pa ako noon, supported pa ako ni Sir Hill, BMW Philippines. So, race day Sunday, pupunta namin ng paddock, walang susi yung bike ko.
Oh my God.
Walang susi yung bike ko. So, imagine from Libis, kinuha pa yung susi to going to Batangas.
Buti may spare. Kundi sabotahe na may
Sabotahe,
isip mo doon.
oo.
Grabe
Tapos-
naman yan. You think sabotahe yun? Tingin mo? May suspecha ka ba? Sabihin mo na.
Malaking possibility. Last
Iba,
race
isip
sa
ng tao.
BRC, Sunday morning, race day. Putol yung traction control ko dun sa rear.
What?
So, wala akong traction control. So, yun
Ibig
yung...
mo sabihin, you suspect may nagputol? Tingin mo? May tumira?
Hirap magsalita eh. Pero, hindi kasi siya
my
mapuputol
God.
basta-basta.
Hey, that's dangerous. You're gonna get into a
Lahat.
race, tapos di mo alam may ganun pala nangyari. Buti na-check ng mga
Putol yung...
boys
so,
mo.
nakita namin nung practice nung morning. Yung traction control kasi is very useful sa amin. So, pag exit ko, slide ako ng sobra. As in, grabing slide. Tapos, pag wheelie niya, sabi ko, ba't ayaw bumaba ah? So sabi ko, may problema to.
Yun na nga.
So, pagpasok namin, putol yung
Oh my
traction
God.
sensor wire.
Well, you know what? Since the last event, kasi nagkikita-kita tayo minsan sa mga events, di ba? You look pretty fresh. You look like you're nakakatulog ka ng parang ang dami
yung pressure talaga na...
hindi mo mabibili yun eh, yung
nawala,
ganyang
oo.
klaseng pahinga.
Oo.
Now, the next question is, okay, you got your shop going on, mas focus ka dito, you have an awesome son that you're taking care of. Is there any chance na babalik ka? Any chance at all?
Tingin ko, may possibility.
Okay. May possibility.
May possibility. Pero yun nga.
Well, sinabi mo nagte-training ka kasi, so andyan lang siya.
Yun, actually, training hindi. Hindi ako nag-stop. Hindi ako nag-stop mag-bike. Kahit sa pagkain, sa weight, hindi ko papabayaan talaga.
Okay. Oh, there is one question I've been meaning to ask racers in general. Kung ikaw ay nasa stoplight, tapos may isang kamoting tumabi sa'yo, hindi ka naka-helmet ka eh. Tapos parang inuudyok kang nirerevan ka. May time ba na tinanggal mo na lang yung helmet mo? Pag ako, or pinatulan mo, anong pakiramdam na kasi ano ba, di ba?
So, marilaki. Naka-scooter ako, then may humabol sa akin underbone.
Hindi ka kilala?
Hindi niya kilala kasi naka-scooter lang ako, yung helmet ko, tapos jacket. May jacket lang. Talagang hinahamon niya ako. Hindi ko talaga pinatulan. I mean, very cruising lang talaga. Tapos sabi ko, kulit oh.
I have nothing to prove. My God. Nalaman ba nila ikaw yun in the end?
Hindi ko sure kung nalaman nila. Pero ito yung kikwento ko, nalaman nila ako. So, ang dala ko naman yung MT-450. So, punta ako ng DRT. Ano lang, cruising lang ako. Enjoy lang. Then, may inabutan akong motor. Bumakbak siya. So, ang sa akin, nagko-cruise lang ako. So, sasabay lang ako sa cruising, pacing, ganyan.
Yung cruising mo, bakbak na sa kanya.
Tapos may nag-post ng photographer. Nag-comment siya doon. Sabi niya, buta si Idol pala yun, kaya binibasic lang. So, ganun. Pero nakakatawa rin kasi ang sarap din magmotor sa street. Kasi syempre from track. Hindi talaga ako nag-street. Nito medyo, dahil sa GP Boys, mostly sports bike. So, yun, nakakasama-sama na.
There is pretty good news that you're saying hindi pa ho ang retirement mo. I mean, we don't know. Guys, for me, that's good news. I mean, there's still hope to see you in action. And ikaw
maybe siguro wild card. Pero yung for whole season, hindi na.
Okay.
Pero wild card, I think, join pa rin ako.
Okay. Well, Marvin, thank you so much. Marami ka na-inspire dyan. At
Thank
yung
you.
sumubok, bumakbak sa kan sa college yun. Huwag na nakasapag gagawa yan eh. Mabuhay ka and I will see you around, my friend. Thank you so much.
Thank you.